Good day everyone, my name is Dashan and my metric number is B0318100139 and my supervisor is Dr. Siti Azira binti Asmai. So my topic is on Twitter sentiment analysis and visualization using Power BI. So this is the table of content. We'll go through what is sentiment analysis, project background, methodology and demonstration of the project. So what is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis or opinion mining is the power of the processing of natural language, text analysis and computer linguistics. It also identifies the subjective knowledge of the writer, subject or emotional topic state. Twitter sentiment analysis. Twitter sentiment analysis is the analysis using data from Twitter. Why Twitter? Is because it's the one of the popular social media platform. So it goes through a medium of short messages known as tweets. The objective of this project is to analyze the existing sentiment analysis application and its functionality to develop sentiment analysis application that can process unstructured data, to test performance of the developed sentiment analysis application. So this project uses the dataset from Twitter, and for the approach it's a lexical based approach which does not require training data, and text block library has been used in this project so for processing the textual data, and software has been used such as Sublime Text Tree, Power BI and SQL Server. So Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a business intelligence application that used to build charts or graphs that visualize the data. This can be done using R or Python programming language. So the demonstration. So this will be the landing page of the project. As you can see here, this is the account analyzer where we will analyze an account. For this case, we will go with Kyrie KJ's account, and this part show the recent tweets. It will fetch the latest 5 tweets of the account including retweets. So if we go to generate word cloud, word cloud is an image of most used words of the particular account. And if we visualize the sentiment analysis, this part of the module will analyze the account as a whole and show us whether it's a neutral or positive or negative account. So this can be done for the user who are new to Twitter and wants to follow a positive or neutral account. So this part of the module is to generate the Twitter data for our visualization. So for example, let's go with vaccine and shows data. This will pick up about 100 latest tweets on the particular topic. So as you can see here, the tweets, we have the location, subjective and the polarity analysis. So we can show the Power BI visualization. As you can see here, this is the Power BI visualization, and it can be refreshed on a daily or topic basis. Let's say this is on vaccine. So let's say we go back here and we type maybe black widow. So it will show us the data on black widow. So as you can see here, and we go back here and it will show us the visualization on the topic of black widow. So this is on a daily or topic basis a refresh. So as you can see here, if we go to a negative polarity, you can see here this is the tweets. So you will not last a day in a red room. So for the polarity, it's analyzed using the words of the tweets. As you can see here, will not last, it's a negative statement. But as you can see here on the subjective, it's a positive analysis. This is because subjective is based on the emotion or the statement as a whole of the author. So for example, this statement is not a bad statement, it's not a negative statement, but the words used in this is a negative words. So one thing about Power BI, it gives us an interactive visualization or maybe a dashboard, so we can see the data in detail. So for example, we click here, it shows us about 43 tweets, and this will be the 43 tweets. So that is Twitter sentiment analysis using Power BI's visualization. Thank you.